Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu, and marhaba to all of you, my brothers and sisters. COVID is real. We need to take it serious. We need to really be up and about in whatever we're doing as far as this is concerned. And for the frontline workers like nurses and lab technicians and all other paramedics, this is actually a serious issue we are confronting, and most of us are getting very sick, and some of us have already died. Let me also inform the general public that the fact that you get COVID and you get cured does not mean that that is the end of it. Research or investigations have shown that people who have even been cured of COVID have had problems with their brains, have had problems with their kidneys, and currently what I'm seeing personally as a cardiologist is a lot of people have had issues with their heart. COVID does not know anyone, has no political colors, and any one of us can be sick. Wash your hands, sanitize your hands, use the face masks religiously, and ensure the social distances. COVID is real. Stay healthy, stay safe. Ghana loves you.